Okay, we're back. No, don't cut it yet. So, Mike, you had the non-dairy, non-cheesy version, right?
Yes.
And how did it taste?
It was crunchy on the outside. On the inside, it had all the creaminess and flavor of cheese, and it almost tasted like it was rice, but it had a little bit more flavor with the cauliflower. So it was excellent.
So wait, before you cut into that, so if you couldn't have rice or breadcrumb or cheese or any of that stuff, what would you give the last rice bowl?
I give it a 10.
Perfect. Okay, so now he's going to have this version, which is the same. It's cauliflower rice, but, ooh, look at that. But as you can see, it has the cheese, the Parmesan cheese, and the dairy, and the regular mozzarella cheese. And now he's going to try it. Let's see what he thinks. Look at that. Looks just like it. Looks like a rice bowl. How does it taste?
Hold on.
Oh, wait.
I have to get in the middle of it.
He's telling me to hold on. Okay, there you go. Look at that. See, this is good for low carb diets.
It's very good.
Okay.
But actually, the other one has more flavor.
It does?
The other one has more flavor. It's more creamy. If I had a choice between the two, I would eat the other one.
Wow. So how many thumbs do you give it? Let me see.
This is an 8.5, and the other one's a 10.
Wow. How do you like that? He always liked the other dairy-free versions. But you know, you can make this too if you're not going to eat. If you want to try the cauliflower rice bowl version with the regular cheese and eggs and, well, this is potato chip coating. It's not. Yeah, how's the coating, by the way?
Delicious.
I cooked it in the air fryer. Does it taste fried?
Yeah, I would think it was fried.
Oh, good.
Actually, the other ones, the coating came out crispier than this.
Oh, that's interesting.
It's the same color and texture, but it actually came out crispier. So it's a little bit more of a texture.
Huh. All right, let me see your thumbs. How many thumbs you give it? 2 thumbs up. Happy days. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Yep, I'm taking this to eat.
All right, well, bye, Mike. All right, everybody. That's it. He took the plate. It's gone. So, if you need the recipe, email me at email@mariaverbanaccio.com or check out my website, mariaverbanaccio.com, for more information on health coaching. And what I always like to say is be happy and healthy. Ciao. That's how they do it in Italy. They go like this. Ciao, ciao.